Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do a video showing you my entry into Vinny over at Pit Stop Scale Model Garage is putting on a first gen Camaro group build. 67 through 69 Camaros. And it started February 1st and runs through the end of May. So still got a little bit of time to jump on this. I've been wanting to build this kit and just waiting for a group build or something to do it. And when I seen this today, that there was this group build going on, I knew I had to jump into it. So anyway, but yeah, I picked this up at Ollie's, I don't know, God, quite a while ago. But yeah, just your basic good old Camaro. I always liked this body style. Just always been cool. There's your colors, whatnot, first steps, second steps. Excuse me. And your other interior and exterior. I always like these. They always look good, like a hot rod kind of thing. Never mind the cat in the background. Whenever I get to talking, I get on the phone, I get whatever she has to, jump in and give her 2 cents. So, even though she doesn't know anything about working on a Camaro, she has to give her 2 cents. No, but yeah, pretty cool kit. And then you got your decals. I'm thinking I'm going to go yellow with the red interior or black interior. I haven't decided yet. It shows red on the box with a white body, but I've just never been a white body fan. Anyway, there's your decals. Pretty good looking decal kit. And of course, the body. It's all still wrapped up. All the interior parts. Looks like a pretty good part count. Oh, good. I'm glad the glass is in plastic. Tires. Wilma, enough. And then the chrome tree. So yeah, this ought to be a lot of fun to build. And like I said, I've just been wanting to get a good excuse to go after this, kit. Because, I don't know, there's just something about these Camaros I've just always liked. I almost had me a 67 back when I was a kid. And now I regret never buying it. But back then, 67 Camaros were, everywhere in Tucson, Arizona, where I lived at the time. So, but anyhow, well, guys, that's my entry to Vinny's Camaro group build. So, I'm going to get started on it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more cool stuff coming. It finally thawing out here. All the snow we had is gone, thankfully. So now I'm going to start doing more outdoor stuff too. But now, thankfully, the racetrack's done. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. And yeah. So, okay, guys. Working on the NASCAR group build yet. The little B25 that I was working on, it's getting kind of close. It's almost done. It's getting there. So, got that one about out. And got some other ones I've had finished. I just haven't shot videos on yet. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and be safe. See ya.